Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher and today we are going to start unit number 2 of science, and the name of the unit is food and a balanced diet. Balanced diet means a diet consisting of a variety of different types of food, means a diet that contains different types of food. Food is important for us because food gives us energy to work and play. We use energy all the time, even we use energy when we are sleeping because our heart is beating, our stomach digests food, our lungs help us in breathing, our brain is working. All of them need energy to work properly. All foods have different values. Some foods help us to grow, some foods give us energy, some foods help our body to fight against germs and prevent us from infections. And if we eat only one kind of food, it cannot do all these jobs. So we need to eat the right variety of foods to get all the nutrients. Nutrients means substances in food that are essential for our health. And when we eat all the proper foods, we say we have a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. Food groups. Food can be divided into groups according to what they do for the body. There are 5 food groups. These are carbohydrates, dietary fiber, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Different foods contain a number of these things that the body needs. For example, many vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. And cheese is a good source of protein, calcium, and fats. Carbohydrates. These are the main energy giving foods. If we are working or running about a lot, we need carbohydrates to give us energy. Too little will make us tired, and too much will make us fat. Carbohydrates are the major source of quick energy for us. Foods in this group also contain fiber, which helps with digestion. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is the part of foods we cannot digest. It has no food value but helps to move the waste through the digestive system. It is found in a wide range of foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins. Proteins, these give us energy and are body building foods that make us grow. They help our body to build up and repair tissues and muscles. Proteins help our body to build up and repair tissues and muscles. They enable our body to replace dead cells like meat, fish, beef, mutton, chicken, eggs. Fats. Fats give us energy and help to keep the body warm. It is important to have some amount of this group in our diet. Too much of these foods can make us fat. Healthy fats are less processed fats. Minerals. Minerals are the substances present in nature. These are needed in small amounts by various parts of the body like iron, calcium, iodine, and salt. There are some common examples of minerals. Calcium makes our bones and teeth healthy and strong. Dairy products are a good source of it. Vitamins. Vitamins are nutrients that body needs to work properly. These are chemicals which our body needs in small amounts. Vitamins keep our bones and skin healthy. They help our eyesight and give us energy and prevent infections. They also help bones to heal. Food pyramid. Food pyramid is a guide. It shows that not all foods are equally healthy. We should eat less of some foods and more of others. To make it simple for us, the food pyramid is arranged into different kinds of food we commonly eat, like grains, vegetables, fruits, meat, and beans, milk, yogurt, and cheese, fats, oils, and sweets. We can see that the largest part of the food pyramid is grains. We should eat 6 or more portions a day of these foods. The foods at the top of the pyramid can be harmful to us, so we should not have more than one of these a day. We can see that fruits and vegetables are separated. This is because fruits contain more sugar and less dietary fiber than most vegetables. We should aim to eat at least 4 or 5 servings of vegetables a day. Water and exercise. As well as eating a balanced diet, our bodies also need water and exercise to function. Water. We know that all the systems in our body need water to function. If we want our body to perform properly and efficiently, we need to drink plenty of fresh and pure water daily. Water carries all the materials to the cells of our body. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Exercise. Along with a healthy diet, we also need to be physically active. Exercise makes you feel good. It improves our blood circulation and keeps the bones and muscles strong. So eat right, drink plenty of water, be active, and live a healthy life. Cooking and preserving food. Raw foods such as fresh vegetables have to be washed well before they are eaten. Many foods are cooked. We can fry, boil, steam, bake, or roast food. Cooking makes food soft, tasty, and easy to digest. Cooking kills germs in food. Overcooking food can spoil it. All the minerals and vitamins are removed from the food if it is overcooked. Foods can be frozen or preserved to prevent them from spoiling. Okay, students, now we will do the workbook work. So, open workbook page number 10. Food groups. Here we have to write different food groups, their function and examples like carbohydrates. Function. Carbohydrates gives us quick energy and helps in digestion. Examples are grains, bread. Next is dietary fiber. Dietary fiber function is fight against disease and help in growth. Example fruits, vegetables, brown beans. Proteins help us to build up and repair tissues and muscles. Examples fish, meat, egg. Fats. Fats give us energy and keep the body warm. Examples are butter, cheese, and nuts. Okay, next is eating healthy and unhealthy food. Sarah, Umar, and Ali each got rupees 100 as Eid. They went for shopping with their father. Here is what they bought. This is Sarah's shopping, this is Umar's shopping, and this is Ali's shopping. We have to write our opinion about their choices. Sarah. Sarah bought unhealthy food. Write on the blank. Sarah bought unhealthy food. Umar. He bought healthy food. Ali. He bought healthy plus unhealthy food. If you go for shopping, what would you buy in rupees 100? We will I will buy some fruits. Now move on page number 12, food pyramid. Write the correct food group for each part of the food pyramid. Draw some examples of food for each group in the pyramid. We have to write here different food groups and then draw the diagrams related to these groups. Number 1, write on the first blank dairy products. Then draw here milk, eggs, butter. Next one is fats. Write on the blank fats and draw in the box cakes, sweets. Next one is proteins. Write on the blank proteins and draw in the group meat, fish. Next one is fruits. Write on the blank fruits and then draw in the box different fruits like apple, mango, orange, banana. Next one is vegetables. Write on the blank vegetables and draw in the box different vegetables. Next one is carbohydrate. Write on the blank carbohydrate and draw in the group different foods that are included in this group like grains, bread, porridge. Now move on page number 15. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Dietary fiber can be found in A. Milk, B. Wheat, C. Eggs, D. Salt. And the correct answer is B. Wheat. Number 2. Which of these foods is good source of carbohydrate? A. Bread, B. Fruit, C. Meat, D. Yogurt. And the correct answer is yogurt. Number 3. This vitamin is made by the skin in sunlight. A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, and D. Vitamin D. And the correct answer is D. Vitamin D. Number 4. Which food is a good source of protein and calcium? A. Cheese, B. Fish, C. Bread, D. Apple. And the correct answer is cheese. Number 5. Which of these we should eat very little of? A. Eggs, B. Fruits, C. Sweets, D. Vegetables. And the correct answer is C. Vegetables. Next is complete the given table, food group and what it does for the body. Number 1. Grains. This group give us carbohydrates which are the major source of quick energy. Second is milk. This group give us calcium which makes our bones and teeth strong. Milk makes our bones and teeth. Now move on page number 16. Find the odd one out in each of the following. Number 1. Milk, curd, cheese, butter and jam. And the odd one out is jam because it is fruit mixture. Number 2. Cucumber, peas, carrot, lettuce, spinach. And the odd one out is carrot because it is red in color. Number 3. Sugarcane, banana, apple, grape, guava. The odd one out is banana because it is yellow in color. Number 4. Pistachio, cashew, nut, walnut, onion, almond. The odd one out is onion because it is vegetable. Number 5. Protein, mineral, wood, fat, vitamin. The odd one out is wood because it is part of plant. Next is, how many different ways of cooking food can you think of? Find out which foods you can add to this table by discussing the question in class. Method of cooking and then dishes prepared by this method, like boiling. We can boil rice, eggs, noodles. Baking, cookies, cakes. We can bake cookies and cakes. Roasting, we can roast chicken, roasted chicken. Okay, class, now we will do the notebook work. So, open your notebook. Question number 1. Why do we need food? And the answer is, we need food because it gives us energy to live and grow. We need food because it gives us energy to live. Question number 2 is, what do we mean by a balanced diet? And the answer is, balanced diet means eating the right type of food in the right amount. Balanced diet means eating the right type of food in the right amount. Question number 3 is, how much water is needed by the body every day? Does this mean we have to drink that amount? And the answer is, to maintain balanced diet, we should drink about 2 liters of water every day. To maintain balanced diet, we should drink about 2 liters of water every day. Okay class, our unit is completed now. You have to learn this unit.